Hi, welcome back to SkiCoachingOnline. This is Steve, and in this video we'll look at if we get into a bit of trouble on the side of the piste, how we can move ourselves away from it and slide down a bit of the terrain that we're not so comfortable on. So for example here, if I'm skiing around and I get stuck into the side of the piste, okay, there's nowhere for me to comfortably turn. I have to get up onto there. It's not too safe for me to go into. But what I can do is I can put myself over both feet. If I rock a little bit back towards my heels as I get a little bit of a flat ski, what will happen is I'll start to side slip, and the more I rock back, the more I will move backwards over the mountain. That way then I've got space in front of me now if I do want to make a turn. So to help you out with the side slip, what I find is with this downhill ski, this is the one that's stopping me from slipping. I'm on my big toe. If I roll that a little bit more towards my little toe, then it'll start to lose height on the hill because my skis aren't gripping as much as they need to be for me to stop. Okay, that way then, for example, I've just burnt about, I don't know, 5 to 7 meters or so, maybe a little bit more, and that way then you can continue, if you'd like to move yourself down to somewhere where you feel a bit more comfortable. Cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.